Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this PTHTECHUS, also PTHTECHUS Smartwatch. This is a special smartwatch because this is a smartwatch phone watch for children. 4G video call watch with GPS tracking, Wi-Fi. Of course, you can call, take calls, and give calls with school mode, SOS function, alarm clock, phone watch for children. This is a really cool children's gift from 4 up to 12 years, for example. It's available in black, in blue, and in pink. It's the T30. This is the 2024 latest 4G children's smartwatch here. This smartwatch for children has the latest design, a 1.44-inch color large screen touchscreen. It's suitable for 4 up to 12 girls and boys out there. If they are between 4 and 12 years, they can really cool use this smartwatch here. And it supports 4G networks, SOS, voice calls, video call, voice chat, pedometer, math game, school mode, alarm clock, camera function. There is an integrated camera in this watch. Music player, calculator, stopwatch, photo album, time display, and more. And we have all what we need, or the children need. GPS, Wi-Fi, LBS, positioning. The 4G network is one of the best technology for communication with smart watches for children. The new Kids GPS watch is 50% faster and more accurate than the 2G network watch. Parents can download the Set Tracker 2, SETRACKER2 app from their smartphones to view and record the children's locations. If our children are outside the previously specific safety range, the geofence function will be activated and we get a notification to us. If we like, we can make video call and Wi-Fi connection. The 4G children's smartwatch here with two-way video call function via Wi-Fi and app. Even without the SIM card, we can connect with our children's face-to-face via video chat with Wi-Fi anytime and anywhere. We can take photos with the mobile phone watch for children. The video and voice chat interactions make communications more fun and, of course, better. The Wi-Fi connection makes watching videos, calls by children more stable and clearer. And we have a long-lasting battery and SOS calls. The children's 4G smartwatch is equipped with a super long 600 mAh battery and an SOS emergency call to protect our children. If our children are in an emergency situation, it can press the SOS button for 3 seconds and call 3 SOS numbers we have set before, and then in a circular manner until someone answers it. That's really cool in emergency situation for the children and for the parents. 4G, global precision, call, Bluetooth, video call, music, all in one function. We have so many really cool features. Wi-Fi, GPS, LBS, everything. Voice chat, SOS, we can make friends, we can use a camera system. That's really cool. And this is really easy. First thing is we download, of course, the child can instantly use the smartwatch, of course. But if you like to track anything, you have to insert a NanoSIM card into the smartwatch, of course. Then we can download the app from the internet. That means out of the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then we are going to pair these two watches, not the two watches, the smartphone of you and the watch each other, by using the QR code on the back side of the watch. That's really easy. After this, these two devices are paired, and then we can start communicating, for example, via chat messaging services. We can track the smart watch. We can enter the SOS numbers and so on. And of course, that's not only a chat. It's possible to make a live chat, a video chat. We can make a call with the smartwatch directly using the app and so on. And of course, we can track our children's easily. That's a really cool feature. That means if it is playing outside, for example, and you like to see where your child is right now, you can take the app and have a look where the child is right now. This is all possible with the PTHTECHUS Smartwatch phone for children. It works with an NanoSIM card, which you have to buy separately. Of course, it's not included. So you can use every NanoSIM out there with a running contract. You can use. Get it in position, job's done. Oh yeah, that's really easy, and then you can easily use this device. And of course, there are two bands, smartwatch bands included. One is a silicon band, and the other is a tool-free replacement loop band. And your children can choose what they prefer for a better feeling around our wrist. Really cool. PTHTECHUS as brings here a cool 4G video call watch on the market. This is the T30 PTHTECHUS smartwatch with or for children's out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.